Today's story 1. Remember, I'm the mom, and the quiet one is the bully. Okay, the bully cat. Okay. Okay, sweetie. I have to pack your things for school. Don't jump that all over again. Oh, why your thing is messy? Oh, yes, pack all the things. I have assignment. I mean, your project. Put all your things here. Here's your pencil. Put all your things here. Kulay mo yan. Yung book. Andan yung notebook mo. Yung nasa basket. I will get your roller board just in case. Come on. Give me it. Sweetie, come on. Okay, put it in your book. I have to go to school. We'll be late. Kulay, go to school na. I have to go to school. We will have money. Magkakaroon tayo ng dinosaur party mamaya. Magkakaroon tayo ng dinosaur party mamaya. So, ano mo? Sweetie. Okay, punta na lang ako sa school. Bye-bye. Don't listen to me. Can you help me bantay this one? I have to go to school for a bit too. Kulay, punta ako sa school. Bye-bye. Hello, brother. Galing ako school. Pasok na ako. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, sino to? Hello. Oh, hello. I'm his little sister. Hi, sister. Hello. Tanggalin ko na yung ID ko. Oopsie. Ay, cute. Where's mommy? School? Okay, lang tayo. Dito. Mommy. Ay, nasa school pa? Okay. Play na lang muna tayo. Habang hantayin muna natin, mommy. Oh. Naman yung play. Ay, brother, uwi na ako sa Japan. It's okay. Maybe tomorrow, itatawagin ko. Bye-bye. Oh, kapag hindi ko si mami yan. Bye-bye. Hello, sister. Grabe ng school. This is the end of our show. Bye.